This year's recipient of the Tapping Reeve Legal Educator Award is Willajeanne McLean of UConn School of Law. An internationally recognized expert on the interface of intellectual property and European law, Professor McLean teaches, writes, and lectures in the area of trademark, comparative intellectual property, torts, and European Union law. Known as a masterful and inspirational teacher, scholar, and academic administrator, Professor McLean's fierce commitment to legal education strives to improve the state of legal education while maintaining a keen focus on her students' achievements and success. Perhaps her good friend and colleague, Dean Jeremy Paul, said it best. For nearly 30 years, Professor McLean has tirelessly devoted herself to the training the next generation of lawyers, advancing knowledge in the U.S. and around the globe, and nourishing the health and growth of her home institution as both a member and leader of its faculty. Congratulations, Professor McLean.
Professor McLean once said that she is a firm believer that none of us become who we are without the proverbial village. She has been a proud member of that village for the students, faculty, and staff at UConn, and she is a PCOOP, person in charge of unlocking potential in my life and the lives of many of our students. Our successes and growth would not be what they are today without her help along the way. Thanks to Professor McLean, I learned about duty, breach, causation, and damages, and also what it means to think like a lawyer. She taught me to review my mistakes and learn from them, and has challenged generations of students through her questions and discussions in and out of class. She fosters curiosity in our students by encouraging them to have the confidence to always ask the question, why? Professor McLean, you are my role model for the person and leader I aspire to be. Your mentorship, encouragement, and support mean the world to me and the other students who have had the privilege of having you as their professor. Congratulations on this well-deserved award.
When I fondly reflect on my law school days, I always think of Professor McLean and the trademark class. It was a pleasure and a privilege to have her as a professor so many years ago, and it is a pleasure and a privilege to have her as a friend now. Thank you, Willajeanne.